Hello guys, welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through on how you can install WordPress on your domain name. Okay, domain name is the name of your website. You have known that already. Then after you have bought web hosting, then the domain name that is issued to you must have to be installed with a content management system like Joomla, WordPress. But in this tutorial we are going to explain to you, walk you through how you can install WordPress. WordPress is one of the most powerful content management systems in the world. It powers more than 35 websites in the world according to Statista. To install WordPress for your own domain name, what you need to do is to log into your cPanel. cPanel, you can't get it. You can't get the account of cPanel just like that. First of all, you must have to get web hosting. Okay, your web hosting will send you the cPanel login details. Then log into your cPanel, and after that one you navigate to the Softaculous app installer. Then you click it. At the answer you have clicked the Softaculous, then you will see WordPress. Then click WordPress icon, enter your username which you want to be served as your WordPress username, enter your password, the email address which you want all these details to be sent to, and click install. After it has installed, then congratulations, you can now log into your WordPress dashboard by www.yourdomainname.com or whatsoever is your domain name extension, then /wp WordPress dashboard. That is it. That means you have finally entered your WordPress dashboard. From there you can install plugin, you can install theme, you can install anything you want. You can create posts, create articles, update your content, and start sharing it with your audience. That is it for how you can make an SEO for your website. Click the link in the description of this video. You will see different links there, and one of the link is how you can do SEO for your newly installed WordPress website. Thank you for watching this video. Okay.